Okay, I'm on the process of setting up the mounts for this tank. I don't have this completely tightened down yet, but you can see I've got one of the Plusnuts in, and I need to put another one in right here. If we push the tank in, you can see that that one's good, and for this next one down, we can actually put it down here in the bottom of that and be just fine. So to do this with the Plusnuts, you basically have a long bolt and then this thing that they call the Plusnut activation tool. And so then you got that, and then you have these Plusnuts. And basically what happens is this section up here gets pulled down more or less in the shape of a plus, and that's the idea with that. But the way that you get this started is you put this on hand tight, like so. See, it comes out to there. Then that goes in there like so. And then what you want to do, kind of hard to do this one-handed, but what you do is you put that on there like so. And once you've done that, I can get the tank out of the way. Put that in there. And then you use just a regular socket on this end nut right here, and you just start tightening it. And I'll be honest, it's hard to do. It's it takes some leverage. It'd probably work out better if I had a little bit more torque on this from having a longer arm on the ends of these. But it slowly starts tightening, and I'm going to do that a little bit, and then I'll catch you back up. So that's the basic process. And you can see that the Plusnut in there is starting to tighten. And you just keep doing this for quite a while. And eventually it will get tight. Okay, it's starting to tighten. You can see it still spins. And so it's important to keep everything on there the way it should be. Now, in my experience from the first one, these will spin if you push them, or if you stress them enough. You know, if you tighten the bolt too tight, or if you try to bring it out too loose. So if I were to actually just start loosening this right now, the whole thing would spin. So you have to actually take the long nut out the same way you put it in, except you go in reverse. And so now I'm going to do that. Hold that there, and that broke it loose. And now it's loose. So you can just do this and take everything out. Okay. And so now you can see that the plus nut is in there as well. And so when we bring all of this in together, now we're given these gold colored bolts, and they will go in just like that. Then you tighten those up and should be secure. Now, like I said, whenever you tighten them, be careful to not over tighten, or else you probably will twist that plus nut a little bit in there.